Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to make Google Chrome default browser in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. In this new panel select apps and in the right side, select default apps and scroll down and select web browser and select any other option. In this case, I select Google Chrome and click on close. And this is all. By default, Google Chrome is your new web browser. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Sorry for my English. Please press the like button and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.